So the first CRM system that we're going to look at is HubSpot. And I suppose for those of you who don't know, HubSpot strive of connecting scaling companies with what they require to deliver the best results for their customers. So it's basically a simple CRM system, and the platform is suitable for marketing, sales, and customer service teams, connecting each of them to help grow your business. And as I mentioned, HubSpot have grown massively over the past years, and they offer a range of different types of services for different types of businesses. For example, if you're within marketing, there's a marketing hub for marketing automation softwares and systems like this. As well as that, there's a sales hub for sales CRM software. There's also a service hub for the customer service side of things, or a CMS hub for content management software and operations as well. So there's a range of different options here in which you can go with, and that's why it's so important to actually analyze your needs before looking at a CRM system, because you really want to understand exactly what are you trying to achieve and which element of HubSpot is going to be best suited towards your business and your goals. And I suppose the price of HubSpot can vary based on the package you select and what your business aims to achieve. For example, if you're within the marketing industry, you can pay an upfront cost of £702 per month for as much as 2,000 contacts. On the other hand, if you're within the sales industry, you can pay an upfront cost of £396 per month for 5 users. So it really is dependable on what type of business you're operating within and what you aim to achieve here. So due to the growth and brand recognition of this product, there are also many benefits that come with HubSpot, such as the likes of the HubSpot Academy, which offers free training and learning educational resources as well. So I suppose from a CRM perspective, HubSpot offer a range of resources and tools that you can really use to the betterment and the advantage of your business. So I suppose it's back to understanding exactly what your goals are, what you're aiming to achieve, and how you can match this with HubSpot's resources then. The next CRM system that we're going to focus on is Salesforce. So there are many CRM systems which are out there in the market today, but these three are the most common ones which you will find in businesses, but I'll go through another few during the end of this video as well. So Salesforce is a system built to give companies and customers a single view of all the information they will need into the one area. So having all these resources in one place will allow companies to make better decisions towards the future of their business. So this platform is actually known for its scalability and the cloud resource within the CRM system that aims to transform your business. And I suppose some of these features within Salesforce includes the Sales Cloud. So this is based off the ability to automate your sales process with Sales Cloud, allowing you to spend less time on the likes of your admin and other general tasks, giving you more time to close in on deals. The Service Cloud, which within the system is used to streamline your customer service, tracking every interaction so that your team can collaborate to quickly resolve any of your customers' queries. The Marketing Cloud, which uses Marketing Cloud to generate insights and increase return on investment by personalizing experiences with all customers. Also happen to build your sales pipeline. And the Salesforce platform, which can be used to actually design and build apps which connects your business data with your customers. And finally then the Commerce Cloud, which aims to create a satisfactory experience between your online customer and your in-store customer. So basically trying to give those two types of customers the same sort of experience that they will enjoy. And the price of Salesforce will vary based on the size of your company. So if you are a small business with for up to maybe 10 users, Salesforce is priced at £20 per user per month. Or if you find yourself looking for a CRM system based on sales or else service, both these are priced at the same price in around £60 per user per month. So just to summarise on Salesforce, the benefits of this platform is for large businesses who are planning on scaling and having a lot of customization or integration options, as Salesforce is highly recommended from a customization and integration perspective. However, like most systems, this can come at an expense, so it's important that you really review this system and understand whether you can afford it and incorporate it within your operations and businesses today. So the next CRM system that we're going to look at is Pipedrive. So Pipedrive is a system which is developed in a way to allow you to generate more leads, manage your sales effectively, and grow your business. And this is driven by data insights where you can make key decisions to increasing your profitability and profit margins. So Pipedrive is actually really relevant and applicable within the sales industry, where the platform has a centralized hub that is designed to empower salespeople to collaborate while optimizing their sales processes and forecast sales cycles. So why is this platform used mostly within sales? So we'll have a wee look now at the features that this platform can offer. So Pipeline actually have a sales pipeline and deals integration in terms of these features, allowing you to visualize your sales process and move your deals whenever you've won them. Pipedrive will also allow you to organize and track your deals within your pipeline stages and customize the stages to suit your sales cycle, creating team pipelines and filtering results based on each team member or stage. The system also has automation options in terms of offering sales automation features for a variety of your repetitive tasks, such as scheduling sales calls and email marketing, which in return obviously gives you a benefit of the business, saving you more time and efficiency within that area. And as well as this, insights and reporting. So Pipedrive will provide actionable insights through customizable reports and visual dashboards, allowing you to track variables and keep centralized reports and KPIs all in the one area. And the final point then is in relation to email and communication tracking. So Pipedrive also offer robust email and communication tracking to help keep your sales teams on track, also giving you access to emails within the actual software system itself. So having a wee look through the pricing then, the most common package on the Pipedrive system is the professional package, which is priced at £49.90 per user per month. However, if you do wish to go lower than this, there are two alternatives, or if you want to go higher and scale your business and you can afford this in terms of your feasibility and the accessibility of your business, there is an enterprise option at a higher price. We'll now go on to a wee bit of a summary just to show exactly which one may be best suited towards your business. So in summary, you can see that each of these CRM systems are going to be best suited towards different types of businesses. So HubSpot clearly have the most to offer in terms of resources and capability, whereas Salesforce is highly relevant for a company who wish to customize their options. On the other hand, you have Pipedrive, who seem to be more suited towards sales companies. So I think really it's about really addressing, understanding and analysing your business and your needs before looking at what technology software system, what CRM system is going to be best suited towards your business, as this is going to ensure that you're going to be choosing the correct one. As a lot of digital transformations today actually fail through a lot of businesses failing to recognise which technology system is most appropriate for their business and their needs. And I suppose it's important to mention as well, there are other CRM systems that is highly useful within today's business world, such as Monday Sales, which is a system which is also highly customizable and allows you to effectively manage customers from the beginning of the relationship right through to the fulfillment process. On the other hand, you have Soho, which is very ideal for business startups and small businesses that need client and contact management, along with any sales forecasting and marketing automation features. So I would encourage you to review the market, try and get an understanding of your own business, then an understanding of each of these CRM systems, and through that you can score each of these systems in line with your operations and how your processes work, so that you can find the one which is an ideal fit for your business. And I suppose just to conclude, if you do want some guidance and support in around selecting a CRM system, I would advise you to check out the video on the steps to selecting a technology software system. So I have created a video in around this which you can find on ProfileTree's YouTube, but I will also leave a link within the description box below to this video and some other resources that I would encourage you to check out as well. That is the end of today's video, and thank you very much for watching. Have a brilliant day.